our gurus who are showing the valuable path to our coming up generation. We would now like to present SIAM and Delhi Traffic Police Road Safety Rolling Trophy to the best schools who have worked in the area of road safety and spread the message amongst their students in the year 2020 till 21. We'd like to request our senior to present the Road Safety Rolling Trophy along with cash award of rupees 21,000 along with a certificate from SIAM to the winning school. I request representative of school Rajkiya Pratibha Vikas Vidyalaya Raj Nivas Marg to kindly come on the stage and accept the honor, please. Now we would like to motivate our runner-up school too by presenting cash award of rupees 11,000 along with a certificate. Would request the representative of Government Sarvodaya Kanya Vidyalaya Alipur Delhi to kindly join us on the stage to accept the award, please. Our Commissioner of Police to kindly felicitate our partners in road safety activities. I would like to invite Mr. Debashish Majumdar, Senior Director SIAM, Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers, to kindly come on the stage and accept the trophy, please. As Sir has mentioned, that Hero MotoCorp always supports Delhi Traffic Police, and this time they have fabricated 2 road safety exhibition vans which will be used for the public awareness. Now I would request Mr. Sunil Malhotra to kindly accept the award from Mr. Srivastava, sir, please. Our third stakeholder, Honda Motorcycles and Scooters, also assist in many activities. I would request Mr. Prabhu Nagraj, sir, to kindly accept the award from Commissioner of Police, please. Delhi Traffic Police always works towards the safety and comfort of our citizens. With the help of IT system, we are enhancing the facilities for general public. As you know, traffic challan clearance certificate is required for the commercial vehicle and for the commercial driving license also. Accordingly, traffic challan clearance certificate, that is NOC, was being issued manually from notice branch, that is Todapur. Prior to COVID-19 pandemic, individuals used to come to Todapur physically and apply for the NOC. About 500 to 600 NOCs were issued per day. Now a new system has been developed for the public to obtain NOC through online system. As per this system, individual is not required to visit Todapur physically. With the introduction of this service, individual can download NOC from Delhi Traffic Police website, and we need to fill in the required information and then download the traffic challan clearance certificate, that is NOC, online from his computer. We would request Mr. S.N. Srivastava, Commissioner of Police, to formally launch this system today. By pressing, it's a virtual thing, sir, just a click away. For this, you have to go to the Delhi Traffic Police website, where you have to go to the General Challan Notice. There you have to fill your driving license number. Then you have to put your date of birth. After date of birth, if there is no challan pending in your name, then automatically you can click and download your NOC. If there is some challan, then you have to fill those challans, and after filling the challans, you can get the NOC. Now come to the vehicle registration. Here you have to fill the vehicle registration detail. Then one OTP comes to the registered mobile number. And you have to enter the OTP. If there is no challan pending for that vehicle, then automatically your NOC will be generated. So it's a very simple process. If you have any pending challans, you have to fill those. Otherwise, online you can get the NOC automatically. So it will ease the public and facilitate them. Thank you, sir, for the launch of this system for the ease of our citizens. Dear all participants, today we are honored with the presence of our Honorable Chief Guest, respected Shri S.N. Srivastava, Commissioner of Police. Sir's leadership and guidance, under the Sir's leadership and guidance, we have done all these activities. Thanks, sir, for your kind guidance and valuable support, always extended in implementing the road safety activities and which lead towards reducing the fatalities in our capital city, Delhi. I would like to now invite Mr. S.N. Srivastava, Commissioner of Police, Delhi, to kindly address our students and all guests present here.
Shri Taj Hassan, Special CP Traffic, Srimati Meenu Chaudhary, Joint Commissioner Traffic, Mr. Pankaj Gupta, Vice President, Safes and SAM, Mr. Prabhu Nagaraj, Senior Vice President, Honda Motorcycles and Scooters India, Mr. Sunil Malhotra, Assistant General Manager, Hero Motorcorps, all the children, also the prize-winning children, the traffic policemen, all the senior officers, ladies and gentlemen, I must commend the good work done on the road safety and the various activities that took place during the COVID time, when it was found difficult to organize such activities. Especially, we are so tuned to doing things in physical shape that in COVID time, as the COVID arrived, we didn't know what to do. But very soon we realized that it is not the physical presence which is important, and everybody could be connected through online, through video conference and through other means, and can carry on with the activity. And it is because of such thinking and mindset that we were able to carry out the road safety activities, various competitions, and today we have somebody here. Despite the fact that the COVID is still there, it is not completely gone. We are here distributing prizes to the children physically. Today has been a very long day for us. We had an annual press conference here in this auditorium itself, and the press conference went for a long time, almost 2.5 hours, and which was followed by a very sumptuous lunch. And after the lunch, when you have a lot of energy and you feel like dozing off. So that was the state. Anyway, we had also to attend another function here at in this auditorium for the Road Safety Week, and we are here. I have noticed that the children, they're very creative they are, and very good kind of, the way it was presented. Those were definitely last year, if we had in the same time, if we had this road safety week or function, maybe we wouldn't have seen it in that form. But in the years' time, we very quickly adopted to the new ways of doing things, and we have seen some mime and the poetry recitations and other things before us, all through the online mode. I must comment at the same time, when the Joint Commissioner was talking to me a few days back about the various kinds of creative work that has been done by children, my suggestion to her was that why can't we use the creativity in them in getting some useful one-liner, two-liner, or with some sort of a picture, poetry, something which we can use for educating the general public, the normal road commuters. We can use them. And these children who are the future generation, if they can at the very early stage, they are sort of guided in a particular direction. They can be a very good resource persons for police also. I hope Joint CP Traffic will continue on those advice which has been given. We want young generation to come closer to the police and help police to reach out to other students, the general community, public, so that we are able to interact with them very closely and share the various things that we are doing for the general public. We find when you go onto the road, you find the condition of the road or the condition of the traffic not too good. The way the vehicles are driven without following the rules. I thought as we are progressing year after year, it is not what should have been. There should definitely be more improvement. The education level has increased. The way we are able to communicate better. With all this, I thought the communication, the road safety education should be still better. Now, why I have raised this point is that we must think how to improve the road, the use of road, and how to make the road more safer. Yes, the number of accidents has come down. That is a fact. But can we say that the roads are being used in the manner they should be? This is a question I wouldn't like to answer, but I would like everybody to think on that. Many years back, when I was also working in the traffic unit, we wanted to push the road safety education in the school curriculum. In some way, we have been able to succeed in some way, but not completely. The other way is that with so much of online education, can we not work for the online education so that all these school children, all these schools, those are in Delhi, they are somehow connected with the traffic police, and we are able to educate the children so that when they come up, when they get the driving license, they become better users of the road. My suggestion is, can we improve the traffic website,
traffic police website, make it more interactive and vibrant, so that the school children are able to, or any young person are able to log into the traffic website and join the various programs, various educational programs, various entertainment programs, something to do with the traffic, so that the traffic education spreads.
We have, in the COVID time, seen that there is no need for physical presence, and we can use this realization and be able to spread the traffic education and improve the use of road in Delhi. I recall the various good works that have been done by the various stakeholders. I just named a few. Some of them had come and received the felicitations also. So the participation of the industry in those industries physically which are connected with the roads, etc. Such participation should continue. I once again acknowledge and appreciate the good work done by the students, by the stakeholders in propagating the road safety. With that, I conclude what I wanted to say. Thank you very much.